So it's been a minute. What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We are back in my bathroom after like 1,000 days. We'll be back in my bathroom one more again. We're just gonna jump right into this video. How y'all been? I don't even know what to say. It's been so long. I already know, well, I know what I'm gonna say. There's an outline, there's a format. This video has been thought through. Okay. I've just been taking time to kind of get used to my hair. If you have not watched my last video, I encourage you to do that. Otherwise, I don't know how you missed the news or missed the fact that I cut my dreadlocks. Besides, I don't have any dreadlocks on my head right now. This is just kind of a video of like a retrospective, you know, of cutting my locks and how I feel about all that stuff. So let's jump into that. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay, so first thing I want to talk about is just the reaction that I've gotten from people, you know. Actually, the most recent one that I got today, I work at Sephora, and I actually haven't been on schedule to work for like the last few weeks. And so one of my bosses, Amy, hasn't seen my hair without me cutting my dreadlocks. And so I came in today, she's like, oh my gosh, what's going on? And how to tell you what happened to your hair? You cut it off? Do you still have it? She asked myself. I'm like, yeah, I still have my hair, of course. By the way, for those who are wanting to buy my locks, I will auction them off. I just have to figure out how to do it and if there's enough people interested in buying it. Someone said they wanted to pay like $400 to $500. One person said they want to pay $2,000. I'll figure out a way to do that. I'll make a video about that. But anyway, moving forward. So the reaction from people, my family likes it. My sister actually prefers this look. She's like, this feels more you than the locks. My brother liked it. Parents, they're cool with it. My grandmother, she really likes it because she had been telling me while I was growing my locks, just, I wish you would just cut. She said, you look so much better with your shaved head, like how your dad, you know how your daddy had look? You just go back to that, do that. So she's much happier that it's that it's this length. Friends have been shooketh. Friends have been shookington about my hair and about the change. I actually rolled up on Diana and Leah at the School of Music, like I think a day or the day of me cutting my hair, because I went to the practice, and so I had posted a video of my locks on Instagram the day before I cut it, and they're like, wait a minute. She like didn't know what to do. She was like, cause your Instagram said that you had hair, and yet here you are, and there's no hair. Reactions for the most part have been good. You know, the most intense reaction I got from someone was actually at my church. This girl, Melody, she actually cried. She cried. Okay, I've known her for like 4 years. She's singing in the choir with me for about 4 years. And when she saw my hair, she was like, I can't believe you did this. She's like, why would you cut off your hair? She's like, I've just known you with your dreadlocks, and they were so long and they were so beautiful, and now they're not there. She's like, no, it's still good. I like it, but oh my God. She said, I wasn't expecting this. It was the most visceral reaction that I was not expecting. Even from her, but from anyone, really. I didn't think that someone's gonna cry over me cutting my hair, but it happened. And then you guys, your love on the last video on me, the upload that I did of me cutting my locks, the support that I've gotten from you all has been great. All of your comments on YouTube and off YouTube, on Snapchat and Instagram, have been great and well received, and I appreciate it. So thank you. In fact, I'm gonna read some of my favorite reactions from it. And you know, with everything, I mean, I won't say that likes matter, but what was interesting to me is the amount of impressions that I got from this. Because between me posting about it on YouTube, which got over 13,000 views, which was like my fastest like trending video, I guess, or like it worked really well. People, you know, like it was a really good video. So I was like, wow. And then like on Instagram, I got like around 300 likes, and I posted it on Facebook and I got over like 300 likes, and I was like, I just cut my hair. But I mean, I guess it's kind of a big deal because it was kind of a big part of me. But anyway, that's a whole different conversation about stuff. We'll get into that later. We're gonna talk about that later. Anyway, let me get to some reactions of things that I like. These are just a few. Elijah Irvin, thank you. I'm gonna put it here so y'all can read it, but I'm gonna read it also. So he said, looks good, man. I remember that feeling when I cut mine off. It was liberating, even though a year or so later, I grew my locks back. Haha. Who knows? I may cut them off again too. So, you know, I mean, Some people can identify with, you know, cutting off your locks and then growing back in. Will I grow locks again? So my boss Amy actually asked me that today, and I don't think I'll grow locks back for a while. I kind of just want to rock the short, you know. I want to walk the mohawk. I can't even talk to you. I want to rock the mohawk for a while. The frohawk, if you will. I just want to figure out what this is and just keep this going. Plus, I love this vibe. I love this look. I just love how I am feeling with this hair and everything, and I just love it. Like, I'm ecstatic about it. That's how much I love it. So there's that. Another comment was from Antoine. I don't know how to say his last name. Is it Bondele? Is it Bondele? Bondel? Vandal? Like Vandal? How you say, Antoine? How you say your last name? Let me know. But he said, I knew it was coming, but my face is still, you know, I feel that on a personal level. As someone who is also deeply expressive, I feel it. Steph Marie, she said, you cutting off your locks as I'm starting mine. You know, everyone is on different parts of their journey and everyone is on different phases. You know, I'm cutting my locks off, you starting yours. But I wish you well. Anyone who is starting their lock journey, I wish you well first and foremost. Second of all, the videos on my channel are still relevant and still valid for the most part. This next one is a pretty lengthy one, but it's from Seb Atreyu, but I'm reading it in its entirety because I like it. Okay, this is a cool cat. If you don't know who he is, he did videos on YouTube for a long while. He has stopped posting, I think about 6 months ago, as I know from this video's date. So, but this is his caption, his comment in its entirety. He said, bro, you had me anxious for you with that lead up. It's funny because when I saw the notification of my email, I didn't look closely at it. I just read Justin, assuming it was Justin Jackson, as he recently cut his locks. And so I was thinking that he had finally got around to making a YouTube video to show up the process and we'll talk about why. It wasn't until just now when I went to his video that I realized it was in fact you. Actually, I'm gonna read this next part. I'm gonna give this is my Savage Trigger pressure. You ready? First, I'm elated that you're pleased with your decision to cut, and I have no doubt that I will enjoy your loose, natural hair. I know that you will get super creative with it too. I can't do his voice, I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop. I know you get super creative with it too because that's just how you roll. Secondly, I want to personally thank you for being someone in the Loc community who provided impeccable content that was used to inform my own journey, as well as my YouTube channel as a whole. You definitely set the bar with the crispness and inspired creativity of your videos and thumbnails. Thirdly, leave it to you to cut your locks on the day you're rocking a fire twist. Let's talk about that for a second because he go on to say, then you get to know when your hair's supposed to be looking raggedy when you cut your locks. Okay, first of all, I'll never be looking raggedy. I mean, there are days. I have moments. I definitely be having some bummy days. But I didn't plan to have the fire twist out. I just untwisted my hair because it was combined and it was like, bow. Look at this mane of hair because, whoa. So there was that, yeah. But he said, come on, man. Lastly, congratulations and thank you for your contribution to the Loc community. I can't read. Once a locker, always a locker. Seb Atreyu. Thank you. That's what I'm gonna say. Because that's what I feel like I need to say for you. I feel like there's a mutual respect between me and you in the YouTubes, on the internets, in the Loc community, you know, and I just appreciate your support and thank you. Always welcome to come back and make a YouTube video. Waiting for you, Sam, wherever you may be. But I understand if you were also like, hey, not me, not my time, but hey, go off. It's all good. It's all love. It's all love, bro. Someone said, why is everybody cutting their locks? Because people want to cut them. And people want to do things with them. That's usually how that happens. Okay, last one I wanted to shout out was 2K Dreads. He said you can keep them as dread extensions in case you want them back. And it won't be fake because it's your actual hair. Which is true. Because people, you know what? Because people were asking me when I had my locks, is that your real hair? And I'm like, yeah, it's all mine, all 21 inches of it. It's me. I grew it for the 6 years. Like y'all, you can see the progress, okay? Yeah, but no, if I did do that, I could keep them as extensions and put them in my hair, but I don't want to do that. But I love the creative thinking, I love it. All of that stuff comes to this question, has cutting my hair changed me and how has it changed me? that's something I've been thinking about. Has it changed me as a person? I would say no. Has it changed the way that I carry my sexy? Yes. In the way that I wear my sexy? Yes, it does a lot. Just the way that I have kind of taken in this new look that I have with the hair has definitely, it's not that I couldn't do styles or wear the clothes. I'm wearing the same clothing, but the swag that I carry now with this hair is completely different. I don't know, for some reason I feel more of my age now. I feel more mature, I feel more 28. If that even makes sense, can you feel more 28 than being 28? You know, if you're 28, you're 28, but I feel like I'm fully in it now, which is nice. That feels good, honestly. How has it changed me? Just with the swag, just with how I carry myself, I think. I also think that other things have been playing into my metamorphosis as a person over the last year too. So I think this is just kind of a physical manifestation of that, and this is only being carried through other parts of my life. So yeah, it has changed me. It has. Do I miss my locks? That is a hard question. Do I miss them? At times. I will say at times. I only miss them for dramatic effects of hair flips. My wig has gotten much shorter, as you can see. It's you know, but you know, it's good. Other people miss my hair more than I think I miss my hair. I think that because people associated my hair with me closer with a more tighter bond, I guess. Some people are having a little bit of trouble, or like, I wish you still had your locks. I get that comment, especially at the bar that I work at, because there's like people who come in and they're like, wait. One person actually thought I was a different person because they thought I was like a new hire. I'm like, no, I just cut my hair, but I've been working here for 2 years now. Yeah. Don't know my face? Don't know my face at all. Okay, whatever, we all look the same. Yeah, so do I miss my locks? No, I think more people miss my locks on me than I miss them. I still have them though. Auction, it's coming. What about the name? Ooh, because someone actually made a question about this. What's gonna happen to Justin Locks? Because I don't have locks. So Pinheiro actually said, change the name to Justin Unlocked. I love the back of your fro hawk. It looks great. Which reminds me of a lovely line from Zaynab Johnson on her stand-up with Seth Meyers. Well, what she so greatly said at the beginning of her set was, give it up for my afro. Yeah, give it up for my afro. So yeah, I mean, I don't have locks anymore, so it would make sense for it to be Justin Unlocked, which I think will be the name of the channel, honestly. I mean, when this video drops, there's gonna be a whole different look for the channel and the name. So yeah, I think Justin Unlocked is what we're gonna go with now, because I don't have locks anymore. But in the same vein, the way that I sign off a video, it'll still be Keep It Locked, because it's like it's an homage to the journey, the hair journey I went on. And then over here, it's like, you know, it's like looking to the future while reflecting and honoring the past, you know? Yeah, back to the future, into the, whatever, I don't know. So I think it'll just be Justin Unlocked. But the way that I have decided to stylize and organize the channel is just by using the consonants of my name, so just JSTN. You may have seen it on my Instagram, I made a post about this. Just going forward, I kind of want to. The thing with making a channel about my locks is that it was such a niche thing, and it's one very small facet of who I am as a person in terms of what I care about, what I do. You know, there are many more. These are the pieces of me. But yeah, so we're doing a little bit of Let It See pieces of me. So the J in Justin, that's just for Justin. That's for the vlogs, that's for the Unlocked vlogs. Oh my God, Justin Unlocked vlogs. It makes sense. Style, that's what the S is for. So like my men's grooming and lifestyle tip videos, hair videos, that'll all fall under that umbrella of style. because that's, I would say, a category of any person really. Some people just have, you know, a big sense of style, and some people know the word style, you know how to spell it. The T in justice for tunes. I want to do more music, and I want to put my music out there, and I also need to do that. So this is incentivizing myself because I need to, I guess, put a carrot in front of my own face to chase after to actually do something in life. So that's that. And then the N in my name is going to be for noir. It's going to be kind of my canon of my blackness and its many intersections of me being black and male, me being black and gay, me being black and an intellectual, me being black and an athlete, you know, a person who does CrossFit. I don't know where this pseudo-British accent came from or whatever accent this is, but this is it's these glasses. You know, you say glasses when you wear frames like this. You say glasses. You don't say glasses. You wear glasses. But that's what the noir is. It's my blackness and its many intersections. Black musician, black gay, black male, just black. Is what the noir is. So yeah, going forward, that is what this channel is going to be. I welcome any and all constructive feedback and or suggestions of the kind of content you're thinking I should explore with going forward with this channel. Again, I'm still in grad school, so please, and also I know this video is coming out a good 6-7 weeks after the last one I did. I am very aware. I also am in school right now. It is my last semester of grad school. I have a recital coming up in April. If you're in Wichita, April 1st, at Wiedemann Hall on WSU campus, that's where my recital will be. Come see me. It's gonna be a percussion recital. Well, specifically, it's gonna be a marimba recital. If you even know what a marimba is, good on you, because not many people do. It's a wooden-like piano, or a piano. It's something you hit with mallets, okay? I just like playing it, so if y'all won't come hear me play some stuff, that's what I'm doing, okay? It'll be about an hour-long concert at 7:30, okay? Come support your boy, okay? If you in the Wichita area, come. It's a free concert. It's free entertainment, and it's on a Monday night too. So when you have a horrible day at work, you can go to a recital and be like, ooh, you know what? Let me go to a recital. I like that boy. He playing some wooden instrument type of thing. He be hitting with some mallets and sticks. Plus, there's gonna be like a duet with the saxophonist. We're doing a tango. It's gonna be amazing. Come and see it. All of that to say, and all of that about cutting my hair, the last question will be in mind is that, are there any regrets to cutting my locks off? And I would say after growing my locks for 5.5 years, for growing my hair for over 6 years, and then cutting it off, I won't say I have any regrets. I will say that it's amazing the perspective that you get of starting a journey, of being in the journey, and then finally finishing the journey and having time to reflect upon it. I also just think it's so cool how me going through a lock journey and doing it on YouTube not required me, but it made me figure out how to take care of my hair and make all these home remedies for like flaxseed gel and shea body butters and and coffee scrubs and coconut oil and all the different type of oils and what they do and vitamins and all this stuff about wellness, which is something I wanted to get into. So I'm just glad that this journey allowed me to explore that through the medium of YouTube and for y'all to watch and to get educated with me along this journey. So, any regrets? How would I regret going on a lock journey when I learned so much and grew so much as a person? Come on now, you can't regret growth. You can't regret that. No, I'm good. So yeah, y'all, that's the video. But we still gonna end it the same damn way, alright? If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, you know? If you have any questions or comments or again suggestions of what y'all wanna see, leave them in the comment section below. If you wanna hit me up on any other type of social media, whether that be on the Snapchats or the Instagrams or the Pinterests or SoundCloud, because I'm trying to put more stuff there with due time. be patient, okay? I can't even work on stuff. I'm so busy with school and practicing for this recital, I can't even do like my other passion projects. They're on hold right now. There are ideas up here, and I'm having to write stuff down and put chords here, put stuff in a little book and put them in a little music journal. I'm gonna get to all that once I graduate. I hope I can. So yeah, just stay tuned for all that stuff. And of course, although my Locs journey has finished, the life journey is still going. So if y'all want to stay with me on that, subscribe on this channel and let's live and grow together, okay? Let's do that. So with all that said, the last video of me cutting my hair is right there. There's a playlist of more stuff right there that y'all can check out. Subscribe icon is right there. And that's it. You notice I'm wearing clothes because y'all said I should put a shirt on, so I'm doing that for y'all. So there you go, all right? Peace, be breezy, and keep it locked, y'all.